Good afternoon. It is 1 p.m. in the afternoon and this is fresh lumpia. Fresh lumpia. You know, fresh lumpia. We are at Rason right now. Rasons right now. We are at Rason. Rasons. This is fresh lumpia. And this is halo-halo. Regular halo-halo. And this is fresh lumpia. This is big lumpia. Big lumpia. Fresh lumpia. Today is August 22. It is Tuesday afternoon. It is 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And this is lumpia. Here at Rasons at SM Mimpro. This is lumpia. Lumpia. Fresh lumpia here at SM Mimpro. Okay. 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 Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Thank you. Thank you very much.